Hey everybody, okay, so I figured out that error that we were getting with Heroku at the very end of the last video. The issue was, by default, Heroku uses Python 3.6 and the corresponding version of pip. So that older version of pip only has access to the libraries up to a certain point. So you need to make sure that you specify your version of Python. So what you want to do is you want to put in a file called runtime.txt here, and that's going to specify your version of Python, and that'll install the appropriate version of Python and pip for your project, and then everything works hunky-dory. So now the API works just fine. So I go here, I go to API token, and I click send, and it comes through. Perfect. Okay, so just wanted to clarify that. In the next video, we'll set up our React project, but just wanted to kind of make sure we clarify that before going on to the next video. But yeah, so our API is up and deployed. So I'll see you guys soon.